Our topic name is comprehension passages. It is the sixth question in our model paper. It consists 4 marks. In the previous classes, we have completed 7 comprehension passages. This is the 8th one. Today I am going to teach you the 8th comprehension passage. Okay? See the textbook in the page number 282. Open the page, open the textbook, the page number 282. Okay? Today we shall discuss about Savitribai Phule through this passage. Today we shall discuss about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was a social reformer and a poet. Social reformer and also a poet, a great poet. Okay, see the textbooks. The page number 282. Savitribai Phule, 1831-1897. It means she was born in 1831 and she was died in 1897. Savitribai Phule was a social reformer and a poet. Coming from a family of farmers, she was married at the tender age of 9 to Jyotirao Phule. She was married at the age of 9 to Jyotirao Phule. Next, a boy of 12 years belonging to a gardener's family. Jyotirao Phule then he was a 12 years boy. He belonged to gardener's family. Both of them were bold and had progressive ideas. Savitribai was both an educational and social reformer, advocating especially the upliftment of women. The couple founded the first women's school at Bidewada in Pune in 1848. They waged a relentless fight for the rights and dignity of widowed women. They established a care center called Balahatya Prabandhak Griha. Savitribai ran this home and considered children born here her own. She, along with her adopted son Yashwant, who was a doctor, opened a clinic for the plague victims of Pune in 1897. While serving the sick, she herself contracted plague and died of it. Jyotirao Phule, he was born in 1827 and he was died in 1890. Jyotirao Phule fought mainly against the evils of the caste system, while Savitribai Phule strove to empower women through education. Okay, students, the passage is about Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule. They both are couples. Okay. Now I explain the passage clearly. Savitribai Phule, she was born in 1831 and she was died in 1897. Savitribai Phule was a social reformer and a poet. She was a social reformer. Social reformer means she fought for the society. And she was also a great poet. Coming from a family of farmers, she came from agriculture family, farmers family. She was married at the tender age of 9 to Jyotirao Phule, a boy of 12 years belonging to gardener's family. Her husband's name was Jyotirao Phule. He came from gardener's family. At the age of 9, she got married to Jyotirao Phule. He was then 12 years old. They both are couples. At their married, they both have. She was just 9 years old. He was just 12 years old boy. She came from agriculture family, farmers family, and Jyotirao Phule, he came from gardener's family. Okay. Both of them were bold and had progressive ideas. They both are bold persons. They have progressive ideas. Progressive ideas means they both have ideas for the society. They both fought for society. They both are social activists. They both are fought for the society. So they both have progressive ideas. Savitri Bai was both an educational and social reformer. She was a educational reformer and also social reformer also. Advocating especially the upliftment of women. She fought especially for women rights, and she fought for women rights. Next, the couple founded the first women's school at Bidewada in Pune in 1848. Savitri Bai and Jyotibai Phule, the both established the first women's school at Bidewada in Pune in 1848. Before 1848, there were no schools for women. So, in 1948, at Bidewada in Pune, they established the first women's school. They waged a relentless fight for the rights and dignity of widowed women. Widowed woman means husbandless. Husband expired, ladies are called widowed. So, they waged relentless fight for the rights and dignity of widowed women. The couples fought for widowed women rights. They established a care center called Bal Hatya Pratibandhak Griha. They both established a care center for children. Care center means orphan house, like a orphan house, that is called Bal Hatya Pratibandhak Griha. Bal Hatya Pratibandhak Griha. It is a care center for children, orphan children. Savitri Bai ran this home and considered children born here her own. Savitri Bai, she ran this home. What is that home? Bal Hatya Pratibandhak Griha. In that school, in that home, the children who grown there, she treated them as her own children. She treated the children as her own children. Understand? The children who grown there treated as her own children. Savitri Bai Phule. Next, she, along with her adopted son Yashwant, who was a doctor, opened a clinic for the plague victims of Pune in 1897. Okay. They both adopted a son. His name was Yashwant. He was a famous doctor. He opened a clinic for plague patients, plague victims in Pune in 1897. While serving the sick, she herself contracted plague and died of it. While serving the plague victims, Savitribai Phule contracted with plague disease, and she also died in that disease. Jyotirao Phule, 1827-1890, fought mainly against the evils of the caste system, while Savitribai strove to empower women through education. They both are social activists. Her husband Jyotirao Phule and she herself, Savitribai Phule, they both are social activists. So, Jyotirao Phule fought mainly against the evils of caste system. He fought against the evils of caste system. While Savitribai Phule strove to empower women through education. Savitribai Phule fought for empower the women rights. She fought for women education. So they both are social activists. Who are they? Savitribai Phule and Jyotirao Phule. Okay. This is the passage. Now the questions. How many questions are there? There are 6 questions are there. So what is the first question? See the textbooks. At what age did Savitribai get married? At what age did Savitribai get married? At their marriage, what were the ages of Savitribai Phule and Jyotirao Phule? Just we are asking only Savitribai Phule's age at the time of marriage. What is the answer? The answer is in the passage. She was married at the tender age of 9. She was married at the tender age of 9 years. Okay, our answer is 9 years. Now the second question. Name any 2 institutions founded by the Phules. Phules means Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule. What are the 2 institutions founded by them? They founded the first women's school at Bedewada in Pune in 1848. Next, they established a care center, Bala Hatya Pratibandhak Griha. These 2 are the institutions were established by Phules. Okay. Next, third question. How did Savitribai treat the children born at Bala Hatya Pratibandhak Griha? Question. Once again, repeat the question. How did Savitribai treat the children born at Bala Hatya Pratibandhak Griha? అంటే బాలహత్య ప్రతిబంధ గృహలో పుట్టినటువంటి పిల్లల్ని సావిత్రిబాయి ఏ విధంగా చూసింది? She treated as her own children. She treated the children as her own children who born in the Balahatya Pratibandhak Griha. This is the answer. Next, fourth one. Victims of which disease were served by Savitribai and her own son in 1897? The question, I once again repeat the question. Victims of which disease were served by Savitribai and her son in 1897? In 1897, she and her son, they both are treating for some disease. What was the disease? The disease name was plague. Our answer is plague. Next, fifth one. It was common for children in India to go to school during the 19th century. Write true or false. Here question is asking, it was common for girls in India to go to school during the 19th century. In the 19th century, the women are going to school. It is a common to everyone. Everyone. Right, true or false? Before 1848, there were no schools. There was no education for women in India. So, what is our answer? Our answer is false. So, last question. How did Savitri Bai try to empower women? How did Savitri Bai try to empower women? What was the answer? Savitri Bai tried to empower women through education. Savitri Bai mainly fought for education for women. So, she tried to empower the women by education or through education is our answer. Okay. This is about Savitri Bai Phule passage. She was a social reformer, educational reformer, and poet. She established the first women's school, Bidewada, in Pune, 1848, and a care center, Balahatya Pratibandha Griha. Her husband's name was Jyotirao Phule. Her son's name was Yashwant. He was a doctor. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.